Alright, this is our third concrete tire trough pour. Learned a little bit on each one. Know if you can tell or not, but we have 4 footings around the trough and they're bailed out, and that allows, in my opinion, good stability for the trough. They're going to be about a 6-inch slab, reinforced with rebar, and looking like it's going to be a dry year, so probably need this. After we get it poured, we'll clean the trough out and put it into operations. So stay tuned, we're fixing to pour. Got her poured. Today hit 100 in March, which is absolutely crazy, and fastest I've ever had concrete set up. So I normally give a couple of days to pull the boards off, but there was no sense in it today. And next step is to clean the trough out and start fencing around it. So thanks for coming along.